how to copy message on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy message on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now go to messages and then select any chat you want like Spotify, and now once you're here hold on any message you want like this one, and here we'll find copy, and that's it. Just click on it, and as you see the message have been copied to the clipboard, and you can copy any message you want. Just hold and click copy, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.